Jim Jam biscuits were the best part of my childhood. If you are from India, then I'm sure you loved these too as a child. As I grown up, I find that the biscuits are too sweet for my taste, which is why I decided to make this eggless and gluten-free version, as many are allergic to gluten nowadays, which has a perfect amount of sweetness and is loved by all. Starting with the recipe, in a bowl, take 50 grams of butter. Butter should be at room temperature and then add 50 grams desi khan, or you can use brown sugar or coconut sugar. First mix with spatula, then use electric beater for 1 to 2 minutes or till color change. Whisking helps to make the cookie light. Now it is time to sieve your dry ingredients. Add 125 grams of oats flour. Here I have used rolled oats and I have simply grind them in a mixer grinder. Then add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon milk powder, 1 tablespoon custard powder. Both add taste to the cookies like market style one. Now combine gently with spatula. Using clean hands, make a soft dough by adding 2 tablespoons of milk. Milk should be at room temperature. Now cling wrap the dough and refrigerate for 5 to 10 minutes. See, refrigerating helps to have better structure and you will able to roll and cut out the cookies easily. Popping your dough in the fridge allows the fats to cool. As a result, cookies will expand more slowly and holding on to their texture. If you skip the chilling step, you are more likely to wind up with flat, sad disk instead of lovely chewy cookies. Cookies made from chilled dough are also much more flavorful as flour will also absorb more of the moisture, so the thicker and the chewier the final texture will be. Now flatten the dough between two baking or parchment paper, and if required, you can dust some flour. Use any cookie cutter of your choice. Now using back side of nozzle, cut the portion of cookie in a circle. Now place the cutout cookie on a normal cookie as shown in video. If you don't have any cookie cutter, you can use lid of a jar to cut the cookies too. See, shape doesn't matter. Preheat the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and you can bake the cookies at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes or till light golden brown color comes to the cookies. Always keep an eye on oven as we are making mini cookies, so slight temperature variation may burn your cookies. Now take out the cookies and let it cool down and put some jam in the cavities, and again bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 to 2 minutes on top rack. Enjoy this gluten-free mini Jim Jam cookies with your favorite cup of tea. Stay tuned.